Refining your niche, market research and customer insights. Now that you've explored various niche possibilities, it's time to delve deeper and refine your chosen niche. This crucial step involves conducting thorough market research and gathering valuable customer insights to ensure your candle creations resonate with your target audience. Market research methods. Industry reports and data. Utilize market research reports and industry data from reputable sources to gain insights into market trends, consumer preferences, and competitor analysis within your chosen niche. This information provides a valuable foundation for understanding the overall market landscape. Online surveys and polls. Create online surveys or polls to gather direct feedback from your target audience. These surveys can explore their candle buying habits, preferred scents, price points, and overall preferences. Social media platforms and online communities dedicated to candles are excellent places to reach potential customers for your surveys. Competitor analysis. Closely examine your competitors within the chosen niche. Analyze their product offerings, marketing strategies, pricing models, and customer reviews. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, and look for opportunities to differentiate your brand and offer a unique value proposition. Social media listening. Leverage social media listening tools to monitor online conversations related to your niche. This allows you to identify customer pain points, trending topics, and popular fragrance preferences. Social media listening also reveals the language your target audience uses when discussing candles, which can be helpful when crafting your marketing messages. Understanding customer insights. By conducting thorough market research, you'll gather a wealth of data. However, the true magic lies in interpreting this data and translating it into actionable insights. Here's how to unlock the power of customer insights. Identify common themes. Analyze the data from your surveys, polls, and social media listening to identify recurring themes and customer preferences. For example, are customers seeking candles made with organic ingredients? Do they prefer candles that evoke specific moods or memories? Pay close attention to the details that reveal what truly resonates with your target audience. Customer segmentation. Within your niche, there might be further subsegments with specific needs and preferences. By segmenting your customer base based on demographics, interests, or purchase behavior, you can tailor your product offerings and marketing messages to cater to each segment more effectively. Product development inspiration. Use customer insights to inform your product development process. The information gathered can guide your choice of scents, container designs, and even the development of new product lines that address specific customer needs or preferences. Developing your niche brand story. With a refined niche and valuable customer insights, you can now craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your target audience. Here are some elements to consider. Highlighting your niche. Weave your niche into your brand story. Explain what makes your candles unique and how they cater to a specific customer need or desire. Connecting with customer values. Identify values that resonate with your target audience. For example, if you use sustainable practices, emphasize your commitment to eco-friendly candle making. Connecting your brand story with customer values fosters a deeper connection. Personalizing your narrative. Share your personal journey into candle making or the inspiration behind your brand. This adds authenticity and allows customers to connect with you on a personal level. The power of storytelling. A well-crafted brand story is a powerful marketing tool. Share your story through your website, social media platforms, and even packaging materials. By authentically communicating your brand's essence, you'll attract customers who share your values and are more likely to become loyal brand advocates. Conclusion. Refining your niche through market research and customer insights is an ongoing process. As your business grows and your customer base expands, you may need to adapt your niche or explore new product lines that cater to emerging trends. The key is to remain flexible, stay informed about industry trends, and continuously gather valuable customer feedback to ensure your brand continues to illuminate the lives of your customers with the warm glow of your unique candle creations.